little bit of that. Shake it up real good. We put it in the bag here. Got a couple pork chops. We're going to marinate.
Yep.
We're not going to marinate for long. We're just going to marinate for a couple minutes. Is that okay?
Sounds good to me.
Put more sausage in there. What else did we put in there? Maybe we should put something else in there. Let's put something else in there. No, that's good. We don't need no seasoned salt. You gotta use seasoned salt, you guys.
Oh, but it's already salty because of the yaki.
This is teriyaki. We're gonna do teriyaki pork chops on the NuWave.
Right now we're marinating.
We figured we might as well use the same bag that we had them all frozen up in before we throw it in there.
Hey.
Some people recycle them. But
nah, this bag had 2 lives.
it's gonna have a second life right now.
Right on.
Nice pork chop. Oh,
Thank you.
nice pork chop. This side too. Nice pork chop. Nice pork chop. All right. So I think I just put enough in there. We got it all marinated in there. Nice pork chop. All right. I think I better grab something to grab it with. Should I use a fork or a grabber?
What do you do? Grabby grabber.
Grabber. All right. Come over here with me. Oh, yeah. That is a beautiful pork chop.
Ooh, I cut it myself.
Well, that's right, out of a big old pork loin.
Right, this is, I sliced these up from a big old pork loin.
Homemade pork chops.
Yes, I'll have to show you that at a different time. It was hard to do, so there's no way I could film it. I'd have to
toss this. I'll be right back.
ask the mister. This is beautiful.
All right, so I'm guessing, let's see. What do you think? We've been cooking a lot with the NuWave. People cook with the NuWave now and then, but it's getting kind of old because it's like the old guy, man.
Oh, I know. They've got newer stuff now.
It's got these weird air
fryer.
This is an air fryer.
Yeah, it's the
got
original.
the same things in an air fryer as an air fryer does.
School.
I don't know. I like it.
Yep.
We don't need to change everything up just because everyone else does. All right, we're going to go ahead and call that good for the teriyaki. What do you think?
Yep.
All right. So I think we could probably get away with about 8 on each side, or not?
Yeah, I was going to say 8 and 8. I was going to say 8 and 8.
All right,
yeah.
8 and 8.
8 and 8. We're going to do 8 minutes on the temperature.
High, which is high setting, which is, what is the high setting?
I don't even know.
We don't even know. We just do it.
Yeah, we just hit cook time at 8.
Yes. So I think, yeah, you just do cook time.
Yep.
And it's going to do the highest setting, which is, I think, 350.
Something like that.
Yeah, 350. Something like that. That's 8. Let's start. See about 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Flip it over. Are you ready?
Ready.
Get ready for it. It's going to be steamy. Get ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, get ready. Ready? Okay.
Oh, so steamy.
I don't know if you caught that. Look at that.
I don't think I caught it.
That is beautiful. That was 8. 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
350 degrees.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Ooh, look at the grill marks. That's why we love this versus the airwaves or whatever the air fryers. Airwaves.
So what we're going to do here is what you call probably a medium.
Yeah.
And we're done. All right. Do a little flip. Right. We're at the highest level, so you can put it upside down on these.
Oh, yeah.
Ow,
the little foots.
Ow,
Don't
ow,
touch
ow,
that.
Ow,
Stop
ow,
that.
Ow. Okay, sorry. Or you can put it up high.
Right.
Ow.
No, this is up high.
Yeah.
You could put it lower is what he's trying to say.
Yeah. Or you can put it up high. We're already up high. All
yeah,
right.
we're already up high.
So what you do here, you just hit time cook again. Cook time. If you guys just got one of these. I'm sorry. No, I'm not trying to be like that. There. 8. Oops, sorry. Sorry.
All right, we'll be back.
All right, we're ready. This is after 16 minutes.
16 minutes
ready?
of pork time.
Ooh, steamy.
Look at this steamy steam.
You always miss it because you point down.
Yeah, I can see the steam.
All right, these are some thick chops here. Let's check it out. We're just going to go ahead and get it chopped in half here and see what we got going on.
Oh, that's so beautiful, you guys.
Perfect. That's like a medium.
Oh, yeah. That's so perfect.
Yep. That's perfect.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Let me just do one little bite here.
Out of mine, right? How is it? Yum.
Mmm. Teriyaki pork chops.
All right. Nice.
All right.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. That's how you use a NuWave.
Hope to see y'all again.
Bye-bye.
Later.